We're here at the 2011 fashion showings, and I'm Victoria Green, Fashion Director of Modern Wedding, and today I'm talking to Wendy. How are you, Wendy?
I'm very good.
That's great. Wendy is from Wendy Makin Designs, and you've been around for how long now?
30 years since I started in the industry.
That's fantastic, which is just, you've got such a knowledge of gowns and you've seen gowns come and go and designs come and go. So, but the thing that I find with your designs is they're quite timeless. Everything is very, very timeless with your pieces. And I know you've won many awards in Queensland, so if you can talk to us a little bit about that, that'd be great.
I did have a particularly good year last year. I took out the 2 categories out of 4, the traditional classic section, and then I won the overall Supreme Award, so I was really proud.
That's fantastic, and you should be. So with your collection this year, what would be your inspiration for the collection this year? If you can just talk us through some of the gowns that you've got here today.
Well, as you said, that my gowns are always very classic and simple, and I think that's what's always been my inspiration, that beautiful 40s, 50s classic look, and that beautiful Audrey Hepburn, Grace Kelly look. They're always my inspiration. I just believe in having quality fabrics and well-cut garments, and then they're flattering and they're always timeless and beautiful. Okay, well, this is in a beautiful silk ottoman, so it's a gorgeous structured bodice, but just having that little bit higher cut bodice, simple flowy organza skirt, so it's very 50s, very classic, and I've just added a couple of handmade silk camellias, so I have named the gown Camellia after them. I'm also known for using beautiful soft flowy fabrics, so I love georgettes, chiffons. That's always been one of my signature fabrics. This one incorporates some beautiful Italian handmade flowers that are just so delicately beaded, and a beautiful silk chiffon sash to cinch in a waistline. And then of course the vintage look is so big at the moment. This colour is just divine on, because it actually looks quite nude, so you really just focus on the lace. So once again, very simple. I can do this either as an A-line or more of a fishtail style, depending on the girl's figure. But some girls like to embellish it with, say, a beautiful antique brooch or something, maybe even their grandmother's piece, or they can really change the look of it. We've got little lace bolero jackets or separate sleeves. They can really personalise it to make it just how they want it to be. Well, one shoulder's also very big for us at the moment. I've got a gorgeous slinky fishtail gown with a beautiful handmade rose called Ashley, which has been a beautiful gown for us. So I'm trying to keep to the simple and elegant ethos, just adding some gorgeous detail. They're also Italian handmade flowers. Well, I enjoy making my own patterns. I think it's very important that the gown fits well, and like I said, using quality fabrics, the end result then is so much better.
So when do we anticipate seeing these gowns in your stores?
Well, because we make them in Australia, we actually can deliver quicker than most of the import collections. We also have 2 import collections, which usually take about 4 months delivery. But the lovely thing about these is, well, one of the girls, Kelly's just gone back on a plane this afternoon back to Brisbane. Those orders will be in our workroom tomorrow in Brisbane, and they can start cutting them. So there will be shops that will actually get these in the next fortnight.
Fantastic. So that's a really good point to remember as well when you are buying your gowns, and with Wendy Makin's, that there is a short time frame. So when you do go in stores and you look out for this label, you don't have to wait months and months for it, which is a fantastic point. So thank you so much. Go to your website, which is
www.wendymakin.com.
And thank you so much, Wendy, for your time and showing us a sneak preview of your collection.
You're welcome.